Hello, my name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. So today I'm going to be doing 2 Dutch pours at the same time, one with a black background and one with a white background. I've been playing around with color for the past couple of weeks and experimenting with color, so I really wanted to see the impact the background has on the color. So my colors I'm going to be using today are a turquoise and a gold. Now I'm going to have different shades. I'm going to have a shade, a tint, and a tone of the turquoise, meaning I'm going to use the actual color turquoise. Then I'm going to have turquoise mixed with black, turquoise mixed with white, which is a tint, and then turquoise mixed with gray, which is a tone. So those are going to be my colors. And then I'm gonna have my metallic will be gold. So let me know what you like better. Do you like the black better, the colors on the black, or do you like the colors on the white better? Again, my name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what I do.
told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 lux. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing.